Come closer. Come a little closer. Today on Renita's, we're going to cook a really good meal today. It's going to be chicken Alfredo. As you can see, I have my family prefers angel hair pasta. You can use any pasta you like. It's just whatever you prefer. But my family prefer angel hair. I have a skillet that's hot, and we're going to put some chicken in there. And I'm going to season up some chicken breast for you. I have some chicken right here. I have one that's already pre-seasoned, but I have another one that I'm going to season up for you. And I'm going to use a little onion powder. A little garlic powder. Just to your liking. And a little bit of white powder. Flip it over, and we're going to do the same thing. You see how nice and seasoned it is? So once you get it real seasoned, you're going to take your cutting board over to your skillet, and you're going to let your skillet get really, really, really hot. And you hear that sizzle? That's how you want your skillet to be. And we're going to cook this about 2 or 3 minutes on each side until your chicken is well done. Now, I have a pot of water on that's boiling. I salted the water down really good. And I also like to put a little bit of Italian seasoning. I just got Tone's Italian seasoning. I like to put a little bit of that in my water just to flavor up the pasta, just a little added flavor to it. So I got my water really, really hot. And I'm adding my noodles to the pot. And I'm going to put that up. And the object to having a good pasta is to make sure that you keep it stirred. I like to use this. And I stir it. Now we're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes until your pasta is done and al dente. Let's check on this chicken and make sure that the chicken is cooked properly. See that nice golden color it has? Now I have one that's already pre-cooked. So we're just going to take that out and put it on the pan and let it rest for a little while it's been cooking. And for your sauce, you're going to use heavy whipping cream, a stick of butter, fresh minced garlic, and of course Parmesan cheese. And also add a little nutmeg, which is going to make it have that little nutty aroma. So, now that we did that, we're going to put this chicken away. We're not going to use this today. And as always, you need to keep a clean kitchen. So you need to always wash your cutting board because of the salamander. You don't want to get your family sick with salamander on it. So we're going to wash this cutting board really, really good before we use it again. And we're going to get a paper towel and dry it out. And we're gonna do the same with your knife. And we just gonna set that right there. So let's go check on that pasta.
Wow.
It's cooking out there, okay? Now while this pasta is cooking, we're gonna move that pasta to the back burner. We're gonna keep the fire on high so it can continue. Now we're gonna get another pot and we're gonna add your heavy whipping cream. This is a pint because I don't have that many family members to feed today, so I'm making a smaller portion today. You're gonna add your garlic. About a tablespoon of garlic should be suffice. And you're gonna add your stick of butter. And we're gonna let that heat up. Then you're gonna add your Parmesan cheese. And we're gonna let that cook until it starts coating the back of the spoon. And we'll check on that in a few minutes later. Now, let's check this chicken. Oh, it's browning beautiful. Can you just smell that aroma, the fresh garlic and the herbs? Now we're going to stir this heavy whipping cream until it starts coating the back of the spoon. Our pasta should be done. It's been about 5 minutes. And you want to make sure, I always keep a very clean kitchen. A good cook is a clean cook. So I have this pot that has the lid on it that locks. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to lock the lids on it. Woo. Be careful because it can be hot. So I'm going to take this pasta and I'm going to drain it. The lids are locked on it, so no need to worry about it spilling. And there's no need to rinse the starch off your pasta because the starch on the pasta helps the sauce stick even better. And then you'll rinse all that good seasoning that you put on there. So now we're getting all the water out of here. And the chicken is done. So when I take this chicken off and let it rest so its juices, natural juices can sit in. And we stir this pasta sauce. And as you can see that it's coating the back of the spoon, it don't take really long for it to cook. And it's coating the back of the spoon nicely. And you're going to get a little, as I said, nutmeg, which is right here.
how am I gonna get up there?
And you're gonna put about a teaspoon to taste. We're gonna mix that in. At this point, once your sauce is ready, then you can add spinach to this, fresh spinach if you want to. But I always, at the bottom of my pan, with all these natural juices from the chicken, I would take my spinach and saute my spinach in the bottom of this pan and soak up more flavor. Then I would add that to my sauce. At this point, you can add mushrooms. You can add shrimp, chicken, whatever you want. But today we're going to do the chicken. So now I'm going to unlock my lids. I'm going to get my pasta. I have these great tongues that I love to use. They're flexible. So I'll take this pasta. It still has a little water on it, but I just let it drain for a minute or two. And then I take it and mix it in. And I get my serving tray, which I already have. I can put my knife up because I cleaned it already. I'm going to take this pasta. Don't that look delicious? And I'm going to put it on my plate.
You said you wouldn't want to do that.
Oh, look at all of this yummy goodness. I put my plate right there. And then I get one of my chicken breasts. I bring it over. And I take my chicken breast and I cut it at an angle into little strips. Don't that look delicious? And the ones that's uneven, I even them out.
Really?
And I pick them up.
I told you that was not over.
And I just fan them across.
Wait. Okay.
And to make my plate look even better, you have some parsley, which I keep tons of fresh herbs. Take a sprig or two of parsley.
We have to go through there. Okay, what happened?
And voila. You now have your chicken Alfredo dish. That was something simple and quick. And any amateur cook can make this for their dinner. Now, let's give it a try. Oh, the noodles are coated really good. And we're going to take this. My parsley's getting in the way, guys. And we're going to try this chicken right here with it. Magnificent. If I may say myself. Thanks. And make sure to turn into my YouTube channel, Renita's Soul Mama for Cooking. And we'll be back with more tasty recipes.
How do you get up there?
Bye.